So let's draw the plus sign. And then the circle. This is the place, so I'm going in and then softly out, going a little bit in and softly out. This one will go a little bit in, kind of like coming straight and then popping up half of this line from here to here, like this. So one eye I will do here, the other eye I will do here, the mouth will be here. Let me erase my guidelines. So one eye, second eye, and then mouth will be. This is the point and this is the point. So this is the point under this one. We can draw a smiley face, double, and I will start from here, not all the way here. So this is point somewhere here, or maybe here, and from here it will start, and this is the point, so I will start from here. So this one I'm going to draw a circle here, maybe alphabet C you can say, and here and here I will pull, and from here I will do smiley like that and curve it like alphabet U and then go down. This one looks a little bit down, so I will go up a little bit. So by looking this place you can adjust. From here I will go down and I will go here, this, and I will erase, and I will make it more, a little bit smaller. It looks really big. So this one will go here. It's starting from here, so few lines I'm going to draw here. This is the neck, and so neckline will be here. Some of them will be here. Now from here I will start the other side. It's kind of like a sad face, alphabet U curve, and then I will turn this one all the way to my guideline. So this was my guideline, near to that, and then back one I will start here, curve it, then come here, smaller actually. So I will do smaller and I will curve it. Now we are done over here. Let's trace this one. One thing I forgot, the bottom part, the belly part, I have to go here, so it will show the belly part, and then the lines will come